Om Namah Shivaya, everyone. I'm recording this in the middle of the day, which I usually don't do. And I feel like this is very heartfelt, whatever I'm about to say now. And I want you to understand that you are the real shiz. Like, there's nobody that you need to compare yourself to. You need to understand that you've survived, you've come through. Now you're gonna rock it. You can't keep on holding on to the past or lingering on to it and thinking that, oh, maybe if this wouldn't have happened, then these things would have been better. No, my love. Nuh-uh. Things happened for a reason. You are here for a reason. Now make the choice to do better by you. The only thing you require in this life to live it blissfully is a very strong will. You're gonna face problems, they're gonna be there 100%. There's no, understand, no, there's no life without trouble. Like, there's no dark without light, right? There's no sun without night. So, life without troubles or happiness without, let's say, negativity is not gonna be there. Things will always need to be in balance, they coexist together. So don't ever rush for easy solutions thinking that everything is gonna be rainbow and sunshine from now on. It's not. You're gonna have to make yourself so stealth and so like, yeah, I'm gonna do it, that it doesn't really affect you, not the good, not the bad. You've got to learn to stay in the middle. And one more thing you need to really understand, listen, not everybody is gonna like you. People are not there. Like, you have to understand, everybody is different and you're not also meant to be liked by everybody. All right? Everybody will have their own opinions, their own ideologies, and that's perfectly all right. Right? You don't have to, make other people understand what is your journey and what are you trying to reach towards. Do you? Believe in your journey, believe in yourself, believe in your ideas, and don't constantly seek that validation, because as long as you believe, as long as you think that you're doing the right thing and it's gonna make sense and it's gonna work through, push. All right? Then you don't need anything else. So believe in yourself, don't listen to anybody else, and surround yourself with people who are very supportive in nature, by the way, who are very kind, very nurturing, and are not insecure, because remember, insecurity breeds itself like onto you. Okay? So if you attract, or if you are with people who are insecure, who are judgy, pushy, and all of that, you will not be in a good space. And you won't be able to do much in life as well. So you've got to learn to come back to you, validate you, and then move.